Hello students, welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about evolution of sex in algae. The evolution of sex in algae originated over a billion years ago, evolving independently across multiple lineages from asexual ancestor to enhance genetic diversity. It transitioned from isogamy to anisogamy, then finally to oogamy. So generally, some primitive algae show isogamy, then some advanced group of algae show anisogamy, and finally oogamy. So we will discuss different types of reproduction one by one, how they evolved from isogamy to finally oogamy. Okay. So let's start. At first, what is sexual reproduction? It involves the fusion of two haploid gametes. At first, plasmogamy, that means fusion of cells, then karyogamy, fusion of nucleus to form a diploid zygote, which is diploid, that means 2n. What is the purpose of sexual reproduction? To increase genetic diversity, because two genetic constituents fuse with each other to form one zygote, and it helps to survive in unfavorable conditions via dormant zygospore or zygote. Major groups trends are observed across chlorophyta, phaeophyta, rhodophyta. So sexual reproduction can be observed in green algae as well as brown algae as well as red algae. So origin of sexual reproduction, the accidental start likely originated from the accidental fusion of motile asexual zoospores during environmental stress. So during stress condition, unavoidable, unfavorable condition, motile zoospores, which are asexual in nature, they accidentally fuse with each other to form zygote. So in this way, the sexual reproduction originated. Genetic basis, research on Chlamydomonas suggests a single gene like MID gene controls mating types and sex determination. Okay, next, evolutionary stage 1. So at first it is isogamy, which is the primitive condition or primitive type of sexual reproduction. Characteristic of isogamy, fusion of morphologically identical gametes. Here both gametes are same size, typically motile or flagellated. It is observed in Chlamydomonas, Devarinum, Ulothrix, Spirogyra. So they show non-flagellated isogamy. So at first isogamy, which is the stage 1 or most primitive stage, isogamy, where two morphologically identical, that means both the gametes look same, fuse with each other to form zygote. So it is called as isogamy. Next one is evolutionary stage 2, anisogamy, which is the intermediate step, fusion of gamete that differ in size as well as behavior. Details, microgametes, some of the gametes are microgametes, means smaller, some are larger, called as macrogametes. Example, Chlamydomonas browning, Pandorina and Eudorina. So they show anisogamy, where both the gametes are morphologically different. Next, evolutionary stage 3, which is oogamy. Oogamy is the most advanced type of sexual reproduction. Oogamy involves fusion of small motile male gamete with large non-motile female gamete, and it is the most advanced form of sexual reproduction. It is a type of heterogamy, as here both the male and female gametes are different from each other, called as heterogamy. It involves the fusion of large non-motile female gamete with small motile male gamete or sperm. It is common in higher groups of algae like Volvox, Idogonium, Fucus, many brown algae. This method allows for efficient fertilization in aquatic environments, often with specialized jacketed gametangia. Okay. Next, evolution of sex organs or gametangia. In primitive algae, any vegetative cell can behave as gametangia, as seen in many species of Chlamydomonas. Intermediate type, so some specialized cells like Antheridia, Oogonia develop, but lack of protection was observed. Next, advanced type, which is complex and with jacketed sex organs like globule and nucleus in Cara. So here in this way the different types of sex organs has been evolved in different groups of algae. So with this I am concluding my lecture video on the topic evolution of sex in algae. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. In my next video, I will discuss about the economic importance of algae. Okay, so please stay tuned. Thank you.